We're here with our partners VyStar Credit Union at the Russell Innovation Center for Entrepreneurs to host Free Rent Workshop from Stress to Success, a debt payoff workshop. We're so excited to welcome both free rent families and community members to learn practical skills and strategies they can implement tonight on how they can manage their debt for the future.
I am so excited today to be partnered with freerent.org. I am going to be one of the facilitators, and I'm going to be sharing some tips, techniques, and best practices so that individuals will have the opportunity to operate in financial confidence as well as be able to manage debt a little bit better.
This is one not to miss. We got a whole room full of individuals that are trying to get smarter about debt.
I saw the event advertised on channel 46 this afternoon, about 2 hours ago. I like being debt-free, so I want to get debt-free, so I want to see what kind of tips that they're offering this afternoon.
Today was just like a reset because I have been to a bunch of credit workshops, but for some reason today kind of stuck with me. I think that this has allowed me to see ways that I can prepare for the future